Hello everyone, I'm Francis Xavier from Gxw Tech, where we strive to deliver the best service. I would like to tell you about our services. We specialize in computer repairs, but we also sell a wide range of tech products and accessories. Whether you need a quick fix for your laptop, a new desktop setup, or the latest gadgets, we've got you covered. Our team of experienced technicians is dedicated to providing top-notch support and ensuring your devices are running smoothly. Visit us for all your tech needs and experience exceptional service at Gxw Tech. Our services. We specialize in providing a full range of hardware and software installation and repair services for both laptops and desktops. Our expertise covers software installation, operating systems, installation and configuration of various operating systems including Windows and Mac OS, formerly OS X. System setup, initial setup, updates, and customization to ensure your system is running efficiently and securely. Hardware repair and replacement. Laptop repairs. Screen replacement, fixing or replacing cracked or damaged laptop screens. Covers and hinges, repairing or replacing broken laptop covers and hinges to restore the physical integrity of your device. Upgrades, enhancing performance through SSD and RAM upgrades. Desktop repairs. Component replacement, installing and replacing desktop components such as graphics cards, power supplies, and other essential parts. Custom builds, building and configuring custom desktop systems tailored to your specific needs. Comprehensive services. Diagnostics and troubleshooting, thorough diagnostics to identify and fix hardware or software issues. Data recovery and backup, solutions for data recovery and establishing reliable backup systems. Performance optimization, tweaking hardware and software settings to optimize system performance. Empowering businesses with seamless IT solutions for growth and efficiency. For more information, email us on gxtech@gmail.com or go to our website, https://xgwenhere.wixsite.com/online, and also our Facebook page https://www.facebook.com/nerds.onsite.2024.mobile no +27833306980 or +27671772371. Looking ahead, we're excited by the endless possibilities and the impact we can achieve together. Join us as we continue to innovate, inspire, and set new benchmarks in our journey ahead.